Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. Happy to have you here. So I have some things to show you and I really like what I have here. There's one I really want to do. All right, so I have to say thank you to PaintSomeWay for sending these. I have a couple things to show you and let's get to it. Thank you PaintSomeWay for sending some product for us to show everybody. All right, so let's save that one for a minute and let's just start. Okay, let's just start. All right, so this is just a cute, fun little special drill, right? It's just this kitty cat. He's got some butterflies flying around him. He's pretty cute. It's gonna have some special drills here and there. A lot of rhinestones. Isn't he cute? He's a little 30 by 30. He's got 9 different shapes and colors. And let's see what they are. He's cute. You know, getting ready for smashing the specials. I've got plenty of things to choose from. This one might be fun to throw in just as a like one night little, you know, sit down for an hour and do something. All right. They're stuck together. Okay, there we go. Okay, here's our rhinestones. This is like a gray. Yep, that's gray. All right. Okay, new camera. I have to figure out how to make it focus. There we go. Not new camera, new update on my phone. Yeah, it's messed up my camera. Anyhow, pink ABs, the pearls, love those. Some purple rhinestones, some like light champagne, beautiful teal. And here's our specials. Gold marquee, some round purple and round orange. Stumbled on purple. Can I say purple? It's my favorite color. I can't say purple anymore. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's super cute. Don't forget, Smashing the Specials is coming up in February. It's just like 10 days away, you guys, from when I'm recording. Anyhow, not when you're seeing this. Full drill. I love this painting. I just adore this one. Everything is so bright and vibrant and pretty and clear. I just love it. I love it. This is the one I want to do. I want to just do some 30 by 40s. I work on so many big ones and I just don't have time to get to all the smaller ones, but this one will be fantastic, won't it? It's got 24 colors. Symbols are all letters. Here's our drill field. Look at, even in the center there, how clear that is. Look at those. No problem telling what those are. I love this one. I'm not going to take a bunch of time to show you the drills from these because, I mean, it is what it is. Yellows, oranges, reds, green, right? There's some brown. Here's the colors. It is what it is. Yellows, whites, reds. Nothing shocking. Nothing that's going to jump out and go, oh, why is that in here? Just the colors that you see. But I love those ladybugs and those sunflowers. I love that one. I really want to do that one. And right now, with as gloomy and wintry and cold as it is right now, that one puts a smile on my face and would just make me feel all warm and cozy. The sun is shining a little bit right now, just a little bit. But don't let it fool you. It doesn't mean it's warm, because it's not. We have had less snowfall this year. We're below average, but we're below average. We're below average for cold. Anyhow, it's colder than normal. All right, toolkit. You know I love my little fun little things here. And look, we know what we got here. We have a battery pack and we have fairy lights. So this one lights up. Yes, it does. And we get to put things together because here's our pegs and our screws and our screwdriver. And we have a little bit of sticky stuff. If you want to attach your battery pack to the back of this or in the middle. I don't know if it would fit in the middle. Anyhow, have some box. Okay, Easter is a comin', right? So look what we have. How adorable. And it lights up. You put all them little lights through here and you put it together with the pegs, wrap the fairy lights through the middle. How much fun is that, right? Double-sided, there's 2 pieces, okay? So they're, you know, reverse image of each other, but it's a little Easter bunny with his eggs. Look, he's painting, or maybe he's diamond painting his eggs. That looks like a diamond painting pen, doesn't it? Yeah, I think he's diamond painting the eggs. But how cute. How cute. I can hardly wait to do this one. I need to do this one for my Easter decorations. Yeah. These are not hard to put together. They're really not. Put the pegs on one side, wrap your lights around the pegs, and then put the other piece on and screw those on. It's easy, guys, easy. All right. Okay, I'm just going to turn these over. Lots of rhinestones. Clear, burnt orange, garnet red, beautiful blue, teal, purple, amber, brown color. They're different colors. They don't look much different. That's a tad lighter than that one. Pinks, 2 pinks, green. I told you there's lots of rhinestones. Rhinestones, rhinestones, more rhinestones, more. Just tons of them. It's all rhinestones except for these. Oh, really? Except for those. Yep, my friend, these slivers. There's no specials in this one, just rhinestones and those guys. Well, I guess that's a special, but anyhow, where do those little guys go? Oh, yeah, look. We're making flowers right here, right here, right here. All right, I can live with that. It's not too many. But that will be fun to do, and it'll be so cute when it's lit up as an Easter decoration. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Love it. So I want to get that one done before Easter. I'm going to do that for Smashing the Specials for sure. That one's staying out. And I really need to find some time to do this one because this one just makes me smile. Makes me smile. Does it make you smile? I love ladybugs. The real ladybugs, not those orangey Asian beetle things, but real ladybugs. You don't see them very much anymore, you know? But how pretty is that? Okay. Again, thank you PaintSomeWay for sending these over. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will link them below. Check that out. And, you know, while you're down there checking out the description box, you know, there's good stuff down there like subscribe and membership buttons and all that stuff. It's all down there below the video. Check it out, okay? I appreciate that. All right. Thanks so much, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.